Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Chevy, Cadillac or GMC vehicle guys, okay, General Motors vehicle, and you're trying guys to find out how to test a horn guys and to know if your horn is good for sure or not, stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. We'll demonstrate on Chevy Cruise, but it will be the same for any pretty much General Motors vehicle. So if your horn doesn't work guys, it could be a bad switch, bad fuse, bad relay, bad wiring or bad horn. So how to know for sure if that thing is good or not. Stay with us guys and we'll demonstrate what needs to be done. Now, in addition guys, okay, let me show you, we are going to have more than 200 videos on every vehicle we get at the shop. More than 200 videos. We have engines here, we'll be doing timing chain replacements. We have another engine here guys. We're adding videos all the time. So, when you get the horn guys, okay, you're going to notice that every horn has only two wires. Okay, one is positive, one negative. The good thing about the horns, okay, 90% of the time you can reverse those and they will still work. Okay, doesn't matter which way you connect them. So all we need to do now, I'm going to get alligator clips. Okay, you can find those guys listed in the description of the video below. We're going to connect the alligator clips, okay, one alligator clip to one wire, the other one to another one, and make sure that they don't touch each other. And now, if we connect positive and negative to a 12-volt car battery, listen what's going to happen. Okay. That thing is extremely loud. Now, we're going to switch positive and negative, and you can see, guys, that thing still works. So it doesn't really matter which way you connect them. So you can now know for sure if your horn is good, if it's bad, and if you need to replace it or you have the problem somewhere else. We guys have a video to show you how to diagnose a bad horn system, what to look for, which fuse relays to check, and how to test the switch. So thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.